Hi friends, welcome to the GD&T maximum material condition session. In order to explain GD&T maximum material condition, that is MMC, I have taken two different examples. One is external feature, the other one is internal feature. Now we will concentrate on the first example. In this I have a cylindrical block. The length of the block is 150 units. Then diametrical size of the cylindrical block is 80 units. I have given the tolerance as plus or minus 0.5. That means this feature can vary between two different extreme values, that is 79.5 and then 80.5. That means size of the cylinder can vary from 79.5 to 80.5. I have not given any tolerance here. Let us concentrate only on the diametrical feature. This particular feature will have maximum material when it is maintained at 80.5, isn't it? And the diametrical feature is smaller. It will have least material when it is maintained at 79.5. That means the condition at which the feature contains more material, that is known as maximum material condition. In this condition it is 80.5. So 80.5 is known as maximum material condition for this particular feature. Now let us take another example. In this example I have a plate, 100 by 100 mm plate, and the thickness of the plate is 25 units. There is a hole, circular hole at the center of the plate. Size of the hole is 60 units. I have given the tolerance as plus or minus 0.5 units. That means this feature can vary between two different extreme values, 59.5 to 60.5. You can observe here, this is an internal feature. As the size of the internal feature increases, you can observe here, have represented the material with hatch so that easily you can identify this. As the size of the hole increases, the material contained by this particular object part is minimum. As the size of the hole decreases, the material content is more. That means if you decrease the size of the hole, this will have more material. If you increase the size of the hole, this part will have less material. That means the maximum material condition for this is when it is maintained at the lowest dimension, that is 59.5. so least material condition is when it is maintained at 60.5. so it can vary between 59.5 to 60.5. if the size of the hole is smaller, then this part will have more material. That is known as maximum material condition. If the size of the hole is more, then the material contained by this part is less. That is known as least material condition. But anyways, now we are going to concentrate only on maximum material condition. After this I am going to explain regarding least material condition. Thank you friends.